Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you, yes, you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at a very special box on the channel. This is a subscription box called Barrel and Blade. Now, if you've been on my channel, you know that this is a joke. We like to place bets if we're actually going to get a barrel and blade, or barrel or blade, and sometimes maybe not either one of them. So yeah, this is going to be a fun video. All right, but make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, let's get the party started, man, and see if we're going to be happy or disappointed or whatever. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. All right, so we are back with Barrel and Blade, or on my channel, we like to play a game called Barrel or Blade. Or maybe neither. Hopefully both, I don't know. So if you're interested, this is a monthly subscription service, and you can just go to the Google and type in Barrel and Blade, and you can find them. They're there. I think there's 2 levels. I can't remember. Look, I get too many subscription boxes, man. I'm stressed out. I can't remember all these details. We'll figure out when we open the box. As per usual, here's your top-down view. Oh my God, I'm going to sneeze. I can tell already. All right, there's the view. I shouldn't have done that. I don't know why I just shook this box. That was stupid. I don't know why I just did that. All right, well here, for the channel members, there you go. All right, so while I'm getting myself situated here, I have to shamelessly plug myself because, you know, I gotta pimp myself. It's disgusting. But down there, next to the subscribe button, there's a join button. For $4.99 a month, you can be here live. I got all my channel members live watching me, and we have engaging, life-changing discussions here. Just saying. All right, let me see if I can find the card. Where's the card? There's no card. Are you kidding me? There's no card. There's no card, bro. There's no card. All right, well this is going to be we're not off to a good start. Okay, so we've got a tourniquet pouch. Okay, this is not the worst thing to get, right? Okay, so we got a kind of a woodland-ish camo tourniquet pouch. Bro. This is a big tourniquet pouch. Okay, we're back to me looking around. The only reason why I say that is because I've got a couple of I've got a couple tourniquets, I think, sitting up there. Bro, I do not need a pouch this big for a tourniquet. Like, you could put like, man, you could put like 3 tourniquets in here. But anyway, all right, so we got a extra large tourniquet pouch. It's made in Vietnam. So there you go. And it is Molly with 1 strap on the back. Okay. Okay. So how does the whole thing open up? Well, what kind of trickery? What in the world of Harry Potter is going on here? Okay, so the whole thing comes out. Okay. Okay, so that's something. And then we got a little flappy flap, strappy strap there. Okay. I mean, is all that necessary? I mean, is all that really necessary? Bro, this is like a Jenga puzzle, man. I'm never going to get this thing back together to look right. I don't think I need all this Velcro. This is like Velcro overload. I do not need all this Velcro. I mean, I understand, needing it. Because when you need a tourniquet, bro, you need a tourniquet. So I understand the concept of fast access, but god dang. So if this is on you, can I snatch this and open the whole thing? Okay, there you go. Yeah, bro, this is like, you can almost build a mini IFAC with this, bro. This is a lot for a tourniquet. But I do like the quick disassembly of the pack, you know what I'm saying? Dude, we spending too much time on this. Dude, it's a pack for a tourniquet. It's a little tourniquet holder. From, who's it from? Tasmanian Tiger. And it's got a little Tasmanian Tiger right there. So that's the most, I would say that's the most Chinesian name, but it says this is from Vietnam. All right, so we got that. I'm sorry. I apologize for taking too long on that. That was I wasted time of your life that you're never going to get back. Okay, so we got Adventure Medical Kits. We've got some sterile adhesive. Okay, we got some sterile adhesive dressings. Okay, so cool and moist, 50% water hydrogel dressing. Oh man, this is some NASA approved stuff that they're going to take to Mars. That's cool. Blister and burn dressing. Glacier gel. Okay, there's 6 of them in here. Okay, that's actually kind of neat. So it's got some kind of tactical water hydrogel in it. It was developed by Special Forces. You know, JSOC made that, right? What's it say here? So we got some alcohol wipes, complete foot care, and we got some patches. All this stuff. It's hard to read, man. They didn't do good on their font colors. You can't put yellow behind blue. Or, I mean, you can't put yellow text behind a blue background, man, because, man, somebody like me, man, makes me go cross-eyed. Man, I can't read that crap. Cushions and protects blisters, comfortable to wear, ultra-thin and transparent. That's actually kind of neat, man. You know, this Adventure Medical Kits, I've got some stuff from them. I think I got Adventure Medical Kits. I think I got their canine med kit. Because, you know, for our golden retriever, Ahsoka, I've got her a tactical dog harness. Bro, it's got Molly on it. My dog goes out, man, my dog's ready to go. My dog's ready for some zombies. I even got her own med kit that goes on it. I think it was from Adventure Medical Kits. Just saying. All right, so for those of you that have tourniquet preferences, this is from Rapid Medical. This is a rat tourniquet. So we got rats, we got cats, we got compression. And then you just take something and you just tie it off with a shoelace. But this is a rat tourniquet. And it says, you know, obviously it works on adults, kids, animals, works on everybody because it's kind of like a, if I was going to describe this to somebody without opening the package, and the reason I don't open the package is because stuff like this, I am building a small EDC kit out of products like this that I get in these packs. And this will be an item that will go into that EDC kit. So I don't open it because I give it, you know, I put it in there and then I do a giveaway. A chance for one of you guys to win it. So yeah, so if I was to describe this, it's kind of like the Ranger Band material. It's kind of like that. And then it has a cool, you know, closure system so that when you tie it off, you know, it's got this cool little thing you put on there, you know, whatever. It keeps pressure. It keeps pressure on the wound, yo. Yes, rapid application tourniquet. There you go. All right, next thing we got here is we got some from Mission First Tactical, or as they like to call it, MFT. This is the React foregrip. Water resistant base storage. Okay, so what this thing has is you can take the bottom off of it and it's water resistant. You can put small parts or batteries in this foregrip. Okay. Now, this is going to be something that, you guys can criticize. Some people like really, standard foregrips. Some people just like the stops. Some people like the little stop nubs. Some people like actual grips. It's personal preference. But I built a kit with items like this that are in this same application, if you know what I'm saying. And I gave it away. Sure did. Sure did. Okay, so is this seriously the last item? Are you kidding me? Barrel and blade. All right, bro, look. I'm not sponsored. Okay, I did have a comment. I had somebody comment and ask me if I paid for these boxes. All these boxes are paid for. No company sends them to me. Now, what does that mean? That means I can talk a little smack. Technically, we got something for the barrel. Barrel adjacent, kind of, sort of. Because we did get this. No blade. How are you going to have a subscription service called Barrel and Blade? There's no blade. Look, I don't think I'm being mean. Come on, bro, get with the program. It's the name of your company, for crying out loud. All right, so the last thing here is the Mission First Tactical Belly Band Holster. All right. So this one here has the main carry there in the center, and then we have these two flanking. Now they're not straight; they are canted a little bit. They're mag pouches, but you can put a knife, you can put a flashlight. But if you look over here on the side, on both sides, there's a little pocket, a little little Velcro pocket on both sides. Okay, look, I was just talking about this to my channel members. I currently carry with one of these Mission First Tactical Belly Band holsters. I absolutely love it. I love it. Because, look, I'm 51 years old. I do have a little pudge right here. Okay? It's fine. It's fine. This thing fits awesome. Doesn't, make it obvious, that I'm carrying, and it's comfortable, and they give you all the fluff like ambidextrous, trigger shield, moisture wicking, breather material, zipper storage, pistol retention. It's the highlights, bro. But I will say this, I endorse this. These are awesome. If you haven't tried one, hey, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I have a couple of these, and I am going to do a giveaway pretty soon of another. I've already given away one of these, and since I got another one, I will do a giveaway, and I will include one of these. So if you haven't had one yet, definitely try it. Okay, barrel or blade is really getting cheap, bro. There's no card, there's no nothing, there's no blade. I don't know what to tell you. I guess go to the comment section and tell me, hey man, better you than me. And because I get that a lot. People say, hey, I'm glad that you got this crap so I didn't have to. That's fine. I do this for you. So here is the view of everything in this barrel or blade. This is depressing. There you go. I don't know what to tell you. All right. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up for my pain and anguish. And yeah, as per usual, may the good Lord bless all of you. If you're struggling in your life, never forget the Lord is always there with you. Even in your darkest time, He is always there with you, waiting for you to call to Him to give you whatever you need. You need courage, strength, whatever. He's there for you. You just have to ask, let Him in, change your life. And with that, friends, I'm out of here. I will see all you guys in the next one. Y'all be cool. Don't be a stranger. All right? I'm out of here. Peace. Boop, boop. All right. You got issues with a belly band holster. No, I don't have issues with a belly band holster. I like the belly band holster. I said that. I said that in the video. You know what I might do? I might leave this in just to see how many people actually watch the videos all the way to the end, because a lot of people don't. Like, they watch for like a minute or two and then they click off. I don't know why. They just do. This is gimmicky. This right here, I guess if I'm still running, I guess I can talk to both cameras. This is kind of gimmicky. I'm not a fan of this type of stuff. I like the regular end stops on the end of my rail. I have no idea what the crap this is. This Adventure Medical Kit stuff. Any of you guys, hey, have any of you guys used this stuff? Home and Forge. You just now got here? Bro, you late, man. We're probably going to do another box. We're going to do another box. So see, if you were a channel member right now, we could all be talking crap about this stuff, and I'm about to end this video, and I'm going to fire up another. Can you guys believe that this right here, can you believe that this right here is a monthly knife club? This is a monthly, this is a monthly knife club box. This is your bonus for staying to the end of the video. This is a monthly knife club, which we're probably going to do right now.